Hey everybody, welcome to Tool Maniac TV on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Today, that's coming up to Christmas, and we shouldn't be mentioning Christmas right now, but coming up to Christmas we thought we'd do a little episode on the 5 bike kits from Wera. And one of our Tool Maniacs kindly lent us this orange crush, and he actually showed me some of the videos from his GoPro. My God, he must be a raving lunatic. I'll tell you something, when I was a kid 4,000 years ago, that's what we carried to fix our bikes. That's it. Now, I couldn't believe how technical this is. You know, the headstock, 5 Newton meters, I think it is what Paul said. And this thing is like a rally car. If you think a rally car, after each stage, goes into a service unit, it gets thoroughly checked over. And I'm thinking to myself, I hope you guys do this, because these are so highly technical. I think Paul said this was about £2,000, up to about £8,000.
How much?
I got straight up. This one was £2,000. But there was some guy, one of our other guys, he was telling me about some of the bikes go up to like 16, 20 grand. Unbelievable. And I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, we've got hex, we've got nuts, standard nuts, we've got torque. So you think, I think if I was going to go racing down a mountainside, like some of you guys do, and girls, I think I need to do a spanner check. Because in motor racing, we do a spanner check before we go out. It's a dumb thing. And I think these are so highly tuned now. So, we've got one of these. You go and play with it down the mountains. I think you should actually have at least one of these. Now, going through, each of these has a specific job. And if you look at this, and there's your backpack or your side pack, they'll all fit in there. This one has got just enough to carry you through. So you've got hex torque, you've got the bit holder here. This is an amazing ratchet. So it could be for on-road servicing. That it's only small, it's tight, it'll fit in the pack quite easily. Okay, this might be too big to carry because you're going to, you're going a long way. Again, this could be a workshop. I kind of see this more workshop than carrying, but then it really depends on how your bike is screwed together. You know, what have we got? Hex, have we got torque? So there's a kit here for everybody. This one, I'd say this was more workshop. Again, all pouches, carried in a pouch. This is, as you can see from there, stainless steel, that one. Now, talking about workshop, I'm assuming that you actually go to town at least once a month, service the whole thing, put it together properly. Get out of the way. This, if you've got all the torque settings, this is the tool, the baby for you, right? Rechecking everything. In fact, I started talking, because we mentioned this, I started talking to a number of our maniacs and revealing that they've all got bikes. I've learned a lot about the bikes recently, but if I was to go and service that now, because it's on its stand, I'd want this. I'd want to be able to torque everything down. It's a lovely piece of kit, this. Click torque. And there's all the standard bike sizes. That's the important thing. Again, and then of course, this is actually one of our favorite tools. It's called the Tool Check Plus, but it's been renamed Bike 3. Now you wouldn't carry that whole thing, that's too heavy. But what this bike kit has is a little subset. So you take your most important items from here. In reality, this one's got different, this has got different ones, James. Look, it's got the ball ends. It's got a few more torques than the standard.
So it's got different bits and bobs, has it?
Yeah.
This and that.
Because the Tool Check Plus, all that lot is a combination, 126 combinations in there. So what would you take in that? Well, you'd slide your ratchet out, and that goes in there. And then you take your most popular bits from here. So again, that could be workshop. Taking the popular bit, that's not bad, is it? You know, that's quite neat in terms of size. This could have two functions. This is your on the road kit, and that could also double up as your service kit at home. So I think this one would be the popular one, to be honest with you, James. There's a lot of kit in there. Yeah, close up on that one. Yeah. So what they've done is they've swapped all the heads out, all the bits out for what's more popular on the bike. So, and of course, even that in your backpack, it can quite easily fit in there. It's not going to fill the place up. So you've got road service. Let's go through it. So you've got workshop, at the same time a little portable unit. That's called the Bike Set 3, and that also comes in a pouch. So if you want to take the whole lot, you could do quite easily. So that's in the pouch. We've got the mental workshop with the torque wrench, and then we've got variations. I think as you're watching this video that you'll actually, oh, that's the one I want. Could be that one. I tend to work on my bike with L keys. And all the sizes here are all the popular ones that are on most bikes. Or you could do yourself a big favour and buy the lot, couldn't you? Have all 5 kits. I know some people that would. So it's all up on the store, and there's a link. Are we below or above on this one, James? I can't remember. So, or if you've got any questions, give us a call in the office. I can see quite a few of these going out for Christmas. There you go. See you soon.